in the heart of America. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, we have this pork here and so many other ingredients that I'm going to show you, and we're going to be making some barbecue pork skewers. These ones are a banger, so make sure to pay attention, okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet, why? Why are you doing this to me? Am I not a good person? Anyways, do subscribe, it's free of charge. Like, comment, share, and let's grow together. So we have some pork loin here. This is lean pork. We have a mixing bowl. We have some vinegar. We have some sesame oil. We have some dark soy for color. We have Worcestershire for umami. We have paprika. We have cumin, my favorite. We have barbecue sauce, some tomato paste, and some salt, and skewers. Let me get black pepper here. So all these are going to go in this, and then these are going to go on a skillet. We grill them and we enjoy. Scrumptious. Let's get to it. We are going to start by soaking our skewers so that these are bamboo. We don't want them to like take up a lot of it and get burnt, especially. And then also they are easy to pull off when you're done. As those ones soak, they're going to go on the side, and then we're going to grab our pork. As you can see, this is boneless. A friend of mine who sells rears and cuts and sells pork sent me this in the evening, so I was like, why not show you? If you want the plug or the contact of the pork person, do comment below and I'll post for you the number of that person if you're in Kampala especially. So we have this pork here, and as you can see, I want to cut against the grain, something like this. Yeah, I would have cut this into cubes, but I will show you why we are cutting them into these tiny ones, because they are going to be reduced the surface area, and then that makes them more able to absorb most of the flavors, and then they cook really fast, and they become like every bite comes in so well, like this small size. That is what we are looking for. So you can cut the cubes, marinate for longer, but we just won't be doing that today. So we are looking for those small spread-like pieces, these ones. Then they are going to go into our mixing bowl. And it's very important for you to cut against the grain, not straight. You see how the grains come like this? We want to cut against them, not follow them. Yeah? You see? This is a whole grain coming here, here, here. So we want to cut in this way so that these ones, you can literally see through it, and that way they are going to be able to absorb most of the flavor. Yeah, so it's not just for, if you can't, identify where, then easy, no problem. But if you can identify where the grains are going, then you're good. This is the pork we have. I will take a picture first. Remember to taste your food as you go. Paprika, add in some cumin, black pepper, barbecue sauce, some sesame oil, vinegar, some dark soy for the color, just a little bit, Worcestershire. The aroma of the sesame oil comes out so well. So we are going to marinate this and keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. They are small strips. We do not have so much time, and the vinegar is going to help us. Also, when we put them on the skewers, they are going to rest a little bit, and then we'll get to them. So I'll see in 30 minutes. Okay, don't move. Anyway, we are done marinating, so we are going to put this on these skewers that have been soaking for a minute. So that's what we're going to do now. You want to grab a piece of this pork, then start from the end, go putting the skewer through it until it's all done. Please endeavor to keep it neat. So something like that. Do not just get this whole thing and then put in the middle and now it's not balanced. Go at the end, put a skewer, as if you know how to sew, yeah, sew like a dress. That's what we are trying to do here. Keep on putting it in the middle until you get something like this. There we are. Put that there. Pick another one, and you can do this with chicken or any other protein you have, or beef. The griddle is a bit hot, so I'm just going to spray some water. Then put on my meat. So you want to keep on flipping it until it's ready. So don't be like rushing. The reason I'm spraying some water is so that it does not like burn and drain most of it out. So I want to cool down the pan and also make sure that my meat gets to retain some moisture. These guys are ready now. I present to you and there we go.